Most tomato plants don't fail because of bad seeds. They fail because gardeners unknowingly make small mistakes every single day. And the worst part? Most people never realize what's actually damaging their tomato plants. But today, I'll show you 3 powerful tomato secrets that professional growers use to grow healthier plants, stronger roots, and bigger harvests. And trust me, secret number 3 changes everything. The first secret is something most home gardeners completely ignore: deep watering. Many people water tomato plants a little every day, but shallow watering creates weak roots. Your tomato plant becomes dependent on surface moisture, and during hot weather, the plant struggles badly. Professional growers do the opposite. They water deeply, but less frequently. This forces roots to grow deeper into the soil, making the plant stronger, healthier, and more resistant to heat stress. Morning watering is also extremely important. Watering in the evening keeps the soil wet for too long and increases the risk of fungal diseases and root problems. A healthy tomato plant starts with healthy roots.
Secret number 2, remove lower leaves. The second secret looks simple, but it protects your tomato plants from dangerous diseases. Remove the lower leaves. Most fungal infections start near the soil. When water splashes onto lower leaves, diseases spread quickly. That's why professional growers remove leaves touching the ground. This improves airflow around the plant and reduces moisture buildup. Better airflow means healthier plants, fewer diseases, and stronger fruit production. And there's another hidden benefit. The plant starts focusing more energy on fruit growth instead of unnecessary lower leaves.
Secret 3, calcium plus sunlight secret. Now here's the secret most gardeners never understand. Tomato plants need more than just water. They need balanced calcium and proper sunlight. Without enough calcium, tomatoes develop blossom end rot. That black rotten spot at the bottom of tomatoes? That's usually a calcium problem. But here's the surprising part. Even if calcium exists in the soil, inconsistent watering can stop the plant from absorbing it properly. That's why stable watering is critical. And sunlight matters just as much. Tomato plants need at least 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight for healthy fruit production. Without enough light, plants become weak, stretched, and less productive. Healthy tomatoes are created by strong roots, balanced nutrients, and proper sunlight working together. Most gardeners focus only on watering, but real tomato success comes from understanding the plant completely. Healthy roots, proper airflow, balanced nutrients, and sunlight. These small secrets create massive differences in tomato growth and harvest quality. If you want smarter farming and gardening tips like this, subscribe to Green Vanta Agri Hub. And let me know in the comments, which tomato problem do you struggle with the most?